Hey guys, Matt from Wolverine Nation here. Just want to show you guys the Yamaha box for the 2019 Wolverine X2. It's a little different than the prior models. You can see here it comes with a drain plug, a rubber, some bolts, nuts to mount the drain plug on the bottom of the front of the Yamaha box. It has four much heavier duty hand bolts that can make it easy to take in and out when you want to move it, or use your dump bed and pull it on out. But I'll show you, there is two places that it can go, all the way against the cab or towards the tailgate. Also, it does have a nice rubber seal on it, and there is cup holders on both sides. So let me get the drain thrown in it and I'll show you guys how it looks in the machine. As you can see there, it's mounted in the furthest forward position. There's already pre-drilled holes with threaded into the bed framing, the metal bed framing already in the bed. There's two sets, one for each position. It's real solid. There's not really any jiggling. I don't think anything's going to make any noise or rattle, and definitely much better setup than the old Yamaha box with the little plastic headed bolts that you screwed in. I know I broke a few of those and ended up just putting bolts in, but like I said, rubber seal, closes good, cup holders. I'm not sure which position I'm going to actually leave it in. I'm going to try it in that position first, but like I said, if you had the spare tire carrier, it would go in this front position, and your spare tire carrier would mount, in this area. But I really liked my Yamaha box on my 2016 and really missed it, so I picked one up, and glad I got it. Feel naked without it. Thanks for watching, guys.